Heather Arnaud with Realty Executives, Arizona Territory, out here at 11446 East Catalina Highway to show you this gorgeous property. I want to be able to show you the entire 3.5 acres, which leads me to an awesome opportunity to present the first 360 tour, virtual tour. So what you can do during this new adventure is click on my body and you will be able to zoom in and tour around, see whatever it is that you want to zoom in at, pause it, or go further. So I'd love to take you inside. As we walk into this remarkable property, I want to let you know first that we have 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, split bedroom plan, just shy of 2,800 square feet inside, and so many beautiful amenities to show you. Right this way. So fantastic to have you in at this beautiful home with the double door iron entry. We have imported tile floor from Italy, a fabulous wet bar with a gorgeous mountain view from there, and a wood-burning fireplace. And then this is such a nice sized room, and we're going to go from here into the kitchen. Now I get to show you this fabulous kitchen with all cherry cabinets, custom built cabinetry, absolutely beautiful, with a lot of special touches like top pull-out drawer, or you have your trash and recycle bins and roll out in the cabinets that open here. We have fantastic new appliances in this kitchen, the dishwasher, a new faucet, the range, and even a pot filler. So that just makes things so handy when you're cooking a big meal to have all of that right in this place. And on the other side, but remember, you can click on me and be able to do a 360 tour of this entire kitchen so that you are getting the full experience. But on this side, there's a built-in desk and cabinets, more pantry space here, or you could make it a closet for more storage. Put a desk or computer here, and there's plenty of space here to have a smaller kitchen table. And this wonderful island has a couple spots for a couple stools if it's just going to be a couple of you having your morning coffee. And then I'm going to bring you into the laundry room with brand new appliances in here as well, washer, dryer, LG, and we've got more cabinets in here, a utility sink, also in here right off the kitchen, which is a great place to have everything right when you come in from the 4-car carport, or the oversized garage, which could fit up to 6 vehicles, which I'll show you later, but I'm going to keep you waiting for a minute on that. And we have the water heater and HVAC. So now that we've seen the laundry room and this gorgeous kitchen, let me show you this awesome, cozy area to sit and watch TV or just stare at the beautiful view of the Catalina Mountains. It's like all yours. Completely unobstructed view, which we're going to go out and see in just a moment. But formal dining area, which could take a much larger table than what we have seated here today. But while we're figuring out what furniture to use in our beautiful new home, let me take you out back and dazzle you with the Catalina Mountain view, pool, covered patio. Right this way. So welcome to this fabulous, very low care backyard with incredible Catalina mountain views. Covered patio, brick paver patio, and there's a grill area, but it would need to be converted. Right now it's more of just a buffet style cabinet, but plenty of room underneath for storage or propane tanks if that's something you would want to figure out. The Catalina Mountain View is a huge sale for us here in Tucson, which $1 million view right there. Fabulous pool and very low care backyard. One of the things I wanted to mention too, our address says Catalina Highway, which would make you think we might be on the main road, but we're actually at the very end of a cul-de-sac. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's very quiet here, and we don't have a lot of the noise that you might expect on a Catalina Highway address, and we are very close to the beginning of Mount Lemmon. So let's get back into the house so I can show you the bedrooms and we'll move on to the garage and 4-car carport. So right off the kitchen, we have the fabulous master bedroom, which is its own hidden space from the rest of the house. As I had mentioned, we have a split bedroom plan. So come on in, let me show you the master bedroom. Into the master bedroom, or I guess now we're saying primary bedroom, you have these beautiful arch windows with wooden blinds and just so much great space. Natural light, and you just feel so away from it all, from the rest of the house, which makes this a fantastic opportunity to get away from it all. Into the master bath. Coming into the primary bathroom, we have the executive height dual vanity and a fabulous walk-in closet and a jacuzzi tub and a separate shower. So great to show you the primary bedroom that is on that side of the house and to be able to give you a glimpse of the other rooms on this side of the house. So this back bedroom looks out onto the back patio with a great view of the Catalina mountains. 2 closets, and then here we get into the Jack and Jill bathroom. With the dual vanity, brand new cabinets, bathtub, shower, and then it brings us into the other bedroom. So the only difference in this bedroom is a different style of closet doors, and you have a different view, which is going to bring you out to a beautiful view of a wash that I've actually gotten to see some wildlife run through. So really beautiful. Last bedroom, here we go. Coming out of the second bedroom, we have another full bath to show you. So right here we have a single vanity and also custom cabinetry and a fantastic shower with a seat and places for your shower items. This last bedroom that we're going to show you today has this beautiful arch window, looks out into the front yard, wood blinds again, and a fantastic size closet with some built-ins, looking also over at the front patio. And next I'd love to show you the wonderful 4-car carport and a ginormous garage right this way. Walking out of the laundry room into the 4-car carport. So tandem, you could easily fit 4 cars into this carport. I've had people talk about closing it in, making it an additional garage. It would be pretty simple to do that for someone who knows how to do that, of course. But I know the most exciting part of this property is probably the ginormous garage with a pit. So without further ado, let's go see this magnificent garage. Plenty of storage over here in this fantastic workbench, which actually has a metal top on it, utility sink, and over in the corner, I bet you can see, there's even a urinal here. But most fascinating for the car enthusiasts would be this pit that you could drive your car over and be able to change the oil, work on the underneath of the car. This is also equipped with a compressor, so there are plenty of outlets for any of your electrical needs, and just a fantastic area that we've counted. You could fit 6 smaller cars in here, or fewer bigger cars, but what an awesome opportunity. It doesn't have to be for cars either. With the compressor, it could be any sort of a workshop. So this is definitely the ultimate place for the car enthusiast. And now I want to show you a horse corral out back. Right this way. On our way from the garage, there is a fenced-in area here, which would be great if you have dogs. There's a nice, completely fenced-in area right here And I can't help but mention that fantastic view one more time. All right, on to the horse corral. Out here on 3.5 acres of property in Tanque Verde Valley, we are standing in the horse corral, which is fantastic start to any horse enthusiast's dreams and desires coming true. Plenty of property to build more of a barn, outbuildings. There's a slab here for a very small tack room that already has water and electricity to make all of your horse needs come true. So I hope that I have enticed you to come check this property out closer. We are on the market right now for $950,000 to $975,000. It's called range pricing. That is where the buyer should make an offer that the seller is likely to accept. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I look forward to hearing from you. Heather Arnuad, Realty Executives, Arizona Territory.